Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. So let's go and just first open up TikTok here and click on your profile at the bottom right. Now, there are two ways for you to add what we call the website or link section when you're adding a link into your bio. So currently, if you try clicking on edit here on your TikTok profile, it should just give you bio, pronouns, fundraiser, and the basic stuff here. So how do you add the website or link? So the first option for you to start adding links is by increasing your follower count first. So if you have at least 1,000 followers into your account, that should unlock most of the features in TikTok for TikTok. So currently there are some features that are still hidden, especially if your account does not have enough followers here. So typically what you need to do is you just need to make sure that you have enough followers, at least 1,000. And if you click on edit, that should give you the add website or add link option. So it should give you the option to add like what we call the socials or add links to your socials. But the alternative way for you to add a link into your profile is if you're a business, you could actually basically set up your business here. So if you go and click on the option here for settings and privacy at the top right, just click on the three bar, go to settings and privacy, and you want to go and just go to account, and you want to go and click on business verification. Now, what you're doing here is just basically verifying your business. Again, it requires a bunch of details here, like your region of your business, your phone number, your website, and a lot more. So as an example, I'm just going to choose Australia here and click on next. Now, also, you need to provide some proof here, like photos of your business, legal business name, and your business license ID. Go ahead and just click on next and just follow the on-screen steps. Now, typically, once they have verified your business or once you have 1,000 followers, you should now have the option to add those or to add followers or links into your profile here or your bio. And just to give you some idea, this is what it's going to look like. So it's going to see what you're going to see an email, a website section here, or a link section in your bio. But that's about it. So, found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.